Hello class. For this tutorial, we're going to talk about one-point perspective. So we're going to construct this, but before we go through the steps, I want to talk a little bit about some of the aspects of one-point perspective. First of all, we're using the rules of one-point perspective to practice all of the elements. Remember that a cube is constructed from 6 planes. So what we're looking at here on this top row is the front-facing plane on each of them. And then on this one farthest to the left, we're looking at a side plane and a bottom plane. On this one, we're looking at a front plane and a bottom plane. Front plane, side plane, bottom plane, and so forth. Okay. So in real space, the horizon line is not an actual line. It's the line that we're talking about that is at your eye view. It happens to coincide with what you are familiar with as a horizon line. For instance, say where the sky meets the ocean. Okay, so if you think about where the sky meets the ocean, it's off in the distance, right? It's up above from everything that is at your ground level. Say this is your head and your little stick figure with a tail. The horizon line is going to be at eye view. Okay, so if you're looking at these shapes in one-point perspective at eye view, what you're going to see are really those two shapes in one-point perspective. These shapes would actually be in two-point perspective. Okay, but for this lesson, we're going to use the rules of one-point perspective so that we can talk about a few key behaviors that happen with the planes and edges of these shapes as they converge onto a vanishing point located on the horizon line. When we're using one-point perspective to study the behavior of converging edges, you have to have a horizon line and you have to have a vanishing point that is on the horizon line. We're going to use 8 squares to start off with and then create the converging lines and the parallel lines to make cubes for this exercise. But then I want to show you how to transform these cubes into spheres, cylinders, and cones.